श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम।
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 श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम। श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम। श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम। श्रीकृष्ण
शरणं मम।
शरणं मम।
शरणं
शरणं
मम।
मम।
शरणं मम।
शरणं मम।
शरणं
मम। बोलिए राधावर श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Hari Om. Today we have gathered to celebrate the advent of not Bhagwan but a special manifestation of Bhagwan in the form of Shri Krishna, who Puja Gurudev fondly calls as the blue boy of Vrindavan, who is the very reason because of which today our Indian culture is still maintained and is a part of our lives. We are able to relate to it, we are able to follow it to a great extent. Bhagavan Shri Krishna brings sweetness wherever he goes, and we also today pray that on this occasion of Shri Krishna Janmashtami, our minds, our hearts, our lives also become sweet, sweetened with His love, with His presence, with His words, with His actions. Let our lives be Krishnamaya. So with that prayer, we shall undertake the puja today. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigam Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि। सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्यां मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्। अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु, ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम प्रधान साधार विकल्प सत्ता स्वभाव भावात् भुवनत्रयस्य सा विद्यया व्यक्तमपि हमाया ज्योतिः परापान्तु जगन्ति नित्यम्। ओम तेजस्वरूप श्री दुर्गायै नमः। अथाचमनं 3 times। ओम केशवाय स्वाहा, नारायणाय स्वाहा, माधवाय स्वाहा, ओम गोविंदाय नमः। ओम केशवाय नमः, ओम नारायणाय नमः, ओम माधवाय नमः, ओम गोविंदाय नमः, ओम विष्णवे नमः, ओम मधुसूदनाय नमः, ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः, ओम वामनाय नमः, ओम श्रीधराय नमः, ओम ऋषिकेशाय नमः, ओम पद्मनाभाय नमः, ओम दामोदराय नमः, ओम संकर्षणाय नमः, ओम वासुदेवाय नमः, ओम प्रद्युम्नाय नमः, ओम अनिरुद्धाय नमः, ओम पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः, ओम अधोक्षजाय नमः, ओम नारसिंहाय नमः, ओम अच्युताय नमः, ओम उपेन्द्राय नमः, ओम जनार्दनाय नमः, ओम हरये नमः, ओम श्रीकृष्णाय नमः, ओम श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। ओम ओम गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। ओम एते गन्धपुष्पे सर्वेभ्यो तीर्थेभ्यो नमः। ओम आगमार्थं तु देवानां गमनार्थं तु रक्षसां कुर्वे घण्टारवं तत्र देवताह्वानलक्षणम्। ओम तद्विष्णोः परमं पदं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवि वच्चक्षुराततम्। ओम अपवित्रः पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थाङ्गतोऽपि वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः। स्यासनोपवेशन महामन्त्रस्य मेरुपृष्ठशितुलं चन्दः कुर्मो देवतासनोपवेशने विनियोगः। ओम पृथिवी त्वया धृता लोका देवी त्वं विष्णा धृता त्वं च धारय मां देवी पवित्रं कुरु च आसनम्। ओम एते गन्धपुष्पे आधारशक्ते कमलासनाय नमः। ऐं गुरुभ्यो नमः, ऐं परमगुरुभ्यो नमः, ऐं परात्परगुरुभ्यो नमः, ऐं परमेष्टिगुरुभ्यो नमः, ओं गणपतये नमः। ओम श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। ओम सर्वविघ्नानुत्सारय हुं फट् स्वाहा। अथ प्राणायामः। ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मऋषिः देवी गायत्री छन्दः परमात्मा देवता प्राणायामे विनियोगः। अथ पूजा संकल्पः। टेक अ फ्लावर इन योर राइट हैंड। मुट्ठी बंद कर दीजिए। पुट इट ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट थाई। ओम ममोपात, प्लीज रिपीट, ओम ममोपात
ॐ ममोपात्त
समस्त
समस्त
दुरितक्षय द्वारा
दुरितक्षयद्वारा
श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम
श्रीपरमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम्
अस्मिन् शुभ मुहूर्ते
अस्मिन् शुभमुहूर्ते
श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी
श्रीकृष्णजन्माष्टमी
शुभावसरे
शुभावसरे
अस्माकं
यजमानानां
अपना गोत्र बोलिए और अपना नाम बोलिए। गोत्र, गोत्रे जाता याह, नाम बोलिए। नाम सर्वेषां भक्तानां शिष्याणां सेवकानां च श्रद्धा भक्ति ज्ञानवैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थं विद्या विनय प्राप्त्यर्थं अस्माकं हिन्दुराष्ट्रस्य पुनरुत्थान एकता जागरण सिद्ध्यर्थं च श्रीकृष्णस्य कृपाकटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं च श्री सद्गुरुप्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थं च वयं यावच्छक्ति श्रीकृष्णपूजनं करिष्यामहे। हाँ, भगवान के चरणों में। हाँ, ओम संकल्पितार्था सिद्ध्यन्तु सिद्धाः सन्तु मनोरथाः भक्तिज्ञानोदयाय अयमारम्भः शुभाय भवतु। ओम यज्जाग्रतो दूरमुदैति दैवं तदु सुप्तस्य तथैवैति दूरङ्गमं ज्योतिषां ज्योतिरेकं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु। अथ श्री गणपति स्मरणं। ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम गंगणपतये नमः। अथ श्री गुरुस्मरणं। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ॐ गुं गुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ मुख्य पूजनम. What we have done so far is the preparatory steps of the puja called the Purvanga Puja, and now we begin the main puja. The steps of the main puja are similar to whatever we would do to welcome any dear, respected, revered guest to our place. Whatever we would do to welcome, all those steps are there in this Mukhya Puja. Atha devata dhyanam. Om dhyayami balakam krishnam matranke stanyapayinam shrivatsavakshasam kantam neelotpaladalachavim devaki. ओम देवकी वसुदेव यशोदा नंद गोप बलभद्रादि सहितं श्री बालकृष्णं ध्यायामि. अथावाहनम. ॐ आवाहयामि देवेशं श्रीपतिं श्रीधरं हरिं बालरूपधरं विष्णुं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः आवाहयामि। अथ आसनं, टेक वन मोर फ्लावर। ओम दामोदर नमस्तेस्तु देवकी गर्भसंभव रत्नसिंहासनं चारु गृह्यतां गोकुलप्रिय। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। आसनार्थं पुष्पं समर्पयामि। टेक अ स्पून ऑफ वाटर। अथ पाद्यम, we wash the feet, hands of Bhagavan, offer him water to drink and give him a shower as well. पुष्पाक्षत समायुक्तं पुरुषोत्तम पूर्वज पाद्यं गृहाण देवेश पूर्ण रूप नमोस्तुते। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। पादयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि। अथ अर्घ्यम्। ओम गंधपुष्पाक्षतोपेतं फलेन च समन्वितं अर्घ्यं गृहाण भगवन् वसुदेव प्रियात्मज। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। हस्तयोः अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि। अथाचमनम्। ओम नानानदी समानीतं सुवर्णकलशस्थितं गृहाणाचमनीयं च विमलं जलमच्युत। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। मुखे आचमनीयं समर्पयामि। अथ स्नानीयं। टेक अ flower, dip it in water and sprinkle a little bit on Bhagwan. ओम गंगा गोदावरी कृष्णा यमुनाभ्यः समाहृतं सलिलं विमलं देव स्नानार्थं प्रतिगृह्यताम्। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। स्नानं समर्पयामि। अथाभिषेकः। We shall now chant Purusha Suktam and Narayana Suktam as we do the Abhisheka, followed by Alankar. You have Panchamritam and okay. ओम तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ओम सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपाद स भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठद्दशाङ्गुलं पुरुष एवेदगं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषानः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो ज्यायागश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादूर्ध्वौदैत् पुरुषः पादोऽस्येहाभवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि तस्माद् विराड जायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्म इद्मः शरद्धविः सप्तास्यासन् परिधयः त्रिसप्त समिधः कृताः देवा यद्यज्ञं तन्वानाः अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुं तं यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा यजन्त साध्यार्षयश्च ये तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि जज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि जज्ञिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त ये केचोभयादतः गावो हजज्ञिरे तस्मात् तस्माज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कतिधा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहू कावूरूपादावुच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यः कृतः ऊरू तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षोः सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्ष्णोद्यौः समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वाभिवदन् यदास्ते धाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदा जहार शक्रः प्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रः तमेवं विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनाकं महिमानः सचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति देवाः अद्भ्यः सम्भूतः पृथिव्यैरसाच्च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताधि तस्य त्वष्टा विदधद्रूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीराः परिजानन्ति योनिम् मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेधसः यो देवेभ्य आतपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो रुचाय ब्राह्मये रुचं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे तदब्रुवन् यस्त्वैवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वशे ह्रीश्च ते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यो अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनौ व्यात्तम् इष्टं मनिषाण अमुं मनिषाण सर्वं मनिषाण ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वन्नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतः परमान् नित्यं विश्वन्नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वमुपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महाज्ञेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायणपरो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायणपरं ब्रह्म तत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायणपरो ध्याता ध्यानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्याप्य नारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रेन्तं विश्वशम्भुवं पद्मकोशप्रतीकाशगं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अधोनिष्ट्यावितस्त्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनं महत् सन्ततगं शिलाभिस्तुलम्बत्या कोशसन्निभं तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं तस्य मध्ये महानग्निर्विश्वार्चिर्विश्वतो मुखः सोऽग्रभुग्विभजन् तिष्ठन्नाहारमजरः कविः तिर्यगूर्ध्वमधः शायीरश्मयस्तस्य सन्तता सन्तापयति स्वं देहमापादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वह्निशिखा अणीयोर्ध्वा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यदमध्यस्थाद्विद्युल्लेखेव भास्वरा नीवारशूकवत्तन्वी पीताभास्वत्यणूपमा तस्याः शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्म स शिवः स हरिः सेन्द्रः सोऽक्षरः परमस्वराट् ऋतगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः ॐ नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात् ॐ विष्णोर्नुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पार्थिवानि विममे रजागुंसियो अस्कभायदुत्तरगुं सधस्तं विचक्रमाणस्त्रेधोरुगायो विष्णोरराटमसि विष्णोः पृष्ठमसि विष्णो श्नप्त्रे स्थो विष्णोस्यूरसि विष्णोर्ध्रुवमसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वा ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अक्षता अथ वस्त्रम् ॐ पीताम्बरयुगं देव गृहाण सुमनोहरं देहि मे सकलानर्थान् देवकी प्रियनन्दन ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। वस्त्रार्थमक्षतान् समर्पयामि। ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। उपवीतार्थमक्षतान् समर्पयामि उपवीतधारणानन्तरं शुद्धाचमनीयं समर्पयामि। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। सकल आभरणार्थम अक्षतान् समर्पयामि। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। दिव्य परिमलगन्धान् धारयामि। गन्धस्योपरि हरिद्रा कुङ्कुमं धारयामि। अक्षतैः पूजयामि। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। पुष्पैः पूजयामि। पुष्पमालां धारयामि। अथ श्रीकृष्णाष्टोत्तरशतनामार्चनम्। We'll chant the 108 names of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. It will be chanted here. We'll all repeat it.
ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय नमः।
ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय नमः।
ॐ कमलानाथाय नमः।
ॐ कमलानाथाय नमः।
ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः।
ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः।
ॐ सनातनाय नमः।
ॐ सनातनाय नमः।
ॐ वसुदेवात्मजाय नमः।
ॐ वसुदेवात्मजाय नमः।
ॐ पुण्याय नमः।
ॐ पुण्याय नमः।
ॐ लीलामानुषविग्रहाय नमः।
ॐ लीलामानुषविग्रहाय नमः।
ॐ श्रीवत्सकौस्तुभधराय नमः।
ॐ श्रीवत्सकौस्तुभधराय नमः।
ॐ यशोदावत्सलाय नमः।
ॐ यशोदावत्सलाय नमः।
ॐ हरये नमः।
ॐ हरये नमः।
ॐ चतुर्भुजातचक्रासि गदाशङ्खाद्युधायुधाय नमः।
ॐ चतुर्भुजात्तचक्रासि गदाशङ्काद्युधायुधाय नमः।
ॐ देवकीनन्दनाय नमः।
ॐ देवकीनन्दनाय नमः।
ॐ श्रीशाय नमः।
ॐ श्रीशाय नमः।
ॐ नन्दगोपप्रियात्मजाय नमः।
ॐ नन्दगोपप्रियात्मजाय नमः।
ॐ यमुनावेगसंहारिणे नमः।
ॐ यमुनावेगसंहारिणे नमः।
ॐ बलभद्रप्रियानुजाय नमः।
ॐ बलभद्रप्रियानुजाय नमः।
ॐ पूतनाजीवितहराय नमः।
ॐ पूतनाजीवितहराय नमः।
ॐ शकटासुरभञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ शकटासुरभञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ नन्दव्रजजनानन्दिने नमः।
ॐ नन्दव्रजजनानन्दिने नमः।
ॐ सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहाय नमः।
ॐ सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहाय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतविलिप्ताङ्गाय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतविलिप्ताङ्गाय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतनटाय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतनटाय नमः।
ॐ अनघाय नमः।
ॐ अनघाय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतनवाहाराय नमः।
ॐ नवनीतनवाहाराय नमः।
ॐ मुचकुन्दप्रसादकाय नमः।
ॐ मुचुकुन्दप्रसादकाय नमः।
ॐ षोडशस्त्रिविग्रहाय षोडशस्त्रीसहस्रेशाय नमः।
ॐ षोडशस्त्रीसहस्रेशाय नमः।
ॐ त्रिभङ्गीमधुराकृतये नमः।
ॐ त्रिभङ्गीमधुराकृतये नमः।
ॐ शुकवागमृताब्धीन्दवे नमः।
ॐ शुकवागमृताब्धीन्दवे नमः।
ॐ गोविन्दाय नमः।
ॐ गोविन्दाय नमः।
ॐ योगिनां पतये नमः।
ॐ योगिनां पतये नमः।
ॐ वत्सवाटचराय नमः।
ॐ वत्सवाटचराय नमः।
ॐ अनन्ताय नमः।
ॐ अनन्ताय नमः।
ॐ धेनुकासुरमर्दनाय नमः।
ॐ धेनुकासुरमर्दनाय नमः।
ॐ तृणीकृततृणावर्ताय नमः।
ॐ तृणीकृततृणावर्ताय नमः।
ॐ यमलार्जुनभञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ यमलार्जुनभञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ उत्तालतालभेत्रे नमः।
ॐ उत्तालतालभेत्रे नमः।
ॐ तमालश्यामलाकृतये नमः।
ॐ तमालश्यामलाकृतये नमः।
ॐ गोपगोपीश्वराय नमः।
ॐ गोपगोपीश्वराय नमः।
ॐ योगिने नमः।
ॐ योगिने नमः।
ॐ कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभाय नमः।
ॐ कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभाय नमः।
ॐ इलापतये नमः।
ॐ इलापतये नमः।
ॐ परस्मै ज्योतिषे नमः।
ॐ परस्मै ज्योतिषे नमः।
ॐ यादवेन्द्राय नमः।
ॐ यादवेन्द्राय नमः।
ॐ यदुद्वहाय नमः।
ॐ यदूद्वहाय नमः।
ॐ वनमालिने नमः।
ॐ वनमालिने नमः।
ॐ पीतवाससे नमः।
ॐ पीतवाससे नमः।
ॐ पारिजातापहारकाय नमः।
ॐ पारिजातापहारकाय नमः।
ॐ गोवर्धनाचलोर्धत्रे नमः।
ॐ गोवर्धनाचलोद्धर्त्रे नमः।
ॐ गोपालाय नमः।
ॐ गोपालाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वपालकाय नमः।
ॐ सर्वपालकाय नमः।
ॐ अजाय नमः।
ॐ अजाय नमः।
ॐ निरञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ निरञ्जनाय नमः।
ॐ कामजनकाय नमः।
ॐ कामजनकाय नमः।
ॐ कञ्जलोचनाय नमः।
ॐ कञ्जलोचनाय नमः।
ॐ मधुग्ने नमः।
ॐ मधुघ्ने नमः।
ॐ मथुरानाथाय नमः।
ॐ मथुरानाथाय नमः।
ॐ द्वारकानायकाय नमः।
ॐ द्वारकानायकाय नमः।
ॐ बलिने नमः।
ॐ बलिने नमः।
ॐ वृन्दावनान्तसञ्चारिणे नमः।
ॐ वृन्दावनान्तसञ्चारिणे नमः।
ॐ तुलसीदामभूषणाय नमः।
ॐ तुलसीदामभूषणाय नमः।
ॐ स्यमन्तकमणेर्हर्त्रे नमः।
ॐ स्यमन्तकमणेर्हर्त्रे नमः।
ॐ नरनारायणात्मकाय नमः।
ॐ नरनारायणात्मकाय नमः।
ॐ कुब्जाकृष्णाम्बरधराय नमः।
ॐ कुब्जाकृष्णाम्बरधराय नमः।
ॐ मायिने नमः।
ॐ मायिने नमः।
ॐ परमपुरुषाय नमः।
ॐ परमपुरुषाय नमः।
ॐ सृष्टिकासुरचारूणमल्लयुद्धविशारदाय नमः।
ॐ मुष्टिकासुरचाणूरमल्लयुद्धविशारदाय नमः।
ॐ संसारवैरिणे नमः।
ॐ संसारवैरिणे नमः।
ॐ कंसारये नमः।
ॐ कंसारये नमः।
ॐ मुरारये नमः।
ॐ मुरारये नमः।
ॐ नरकान्तकाय नमः।
ॐ नरकान्तकाय नमः।
ॐ अनादिब्रह्मचारिणे नमः।
ॐ अनादिब्रह्मचारिणे नमः।
ॐ कृष्णाव्यसनकर्षकाय नमः।
ॐ कृष्णाव्यसनकर्षकाय नमः।
ॐ शिशुपालशिरश्छेत्रे नमः।
ॐ शिशुपालशिरश्छेत्रे नमः।
ॐ दुर्योधनकुलान्तकाय नमः।
ॐ दुर्योधनकुलान्तकाय नमः।
ॐ विदुराक्रूरवरदाय नमः।
ॐ विदुराक्रूरवरदाय नमः।
ॐ विश्वरूपप्रदर्शकाय नमः
ॐ विश्वरूपप्रदर्शकाय नमः
ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः
ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः
ॐ सत्यसङ्कल्पाय नमः
ॐ सत्यसङ्कल्पाय नमः
ॐ सत्यभामारताय नमः
ॐ सत्यभामारताय नमः
ॐ जयिने नमः
ॐ जैने नमः
ॐ सुभद्रापूर्वजाय नमः
ॐ सुभद्रापूर्वजाय नमः
ॐ विष्णवे नमः
ॐ विष्णवे नमः
ॐ भीष्ममुक्तिप्रदायकाय नमः
ॐ भीष्ममुक्तिप्रदायकाय नमः
ॐ जगद्गुरवे नमः
ॐ जगद्गुरवे नमः
ॐ जगन्नाथाय नमः
ॐ जगन्नाथाय नमः
ॐ वेणुनादविशारदाय नमः
ॐ वेणुनादविशारदाय नमः
ॐ वृषभासुरविध्वंसिने नमः
ॐ वृषभासुरविध्वंसिने नमः
ॐ बाणासुरकरान्तकाय नमः
ॐ बाणासुरकरान्तकाय नमः
ॐ युधिष्ठिरप्रतिष्ठात्रे नमः
ॐ युधिष्ठिरप्रतिष्ठात्रे नमः
ॐ बर्हिबर्हावतंसकाय नमः
ॐ बर्हिबर्हावतंसकाय नमः
ॐ पार्थसारथये नमः
ॐ पार्थसारथये नमः
ॐ अव्यक्ताय नमः
ॐ अव्यक्ताय नमः
ॐ गीतामृतमहोदधये नमः
ॐ गीतामृतमहोदधये नमः
ॐ कालीयफणिमाणिज्यरञ्जितश्रीपदाम्बुजाय नमः
ॐ कालीयमणिफणिमाणिक्यरञ्जितश्रीपदाम्बुजाय नमः
ॐ दामोदराय नमः
ॐ दामोदराय नमः
ॐ यज्ञभोक्त्रे नमः
ॐ यज्ञभोक्त्रे नमः
ॐ दानवेन्द्रविनाशकाय नमः
ॐ दानवेन्द्रविनाशकाय नमः
ॐ नारायणाय नमः
ॐ नारायणाय नमः
ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ पन्नगाशनवाहनाय नमः
ॐ पन्नगाशनवाहनाय नमः
ॐ जलक्रीडासमासक्तगोपीवस्त्रापहारकाय नमः
ॐ जलक्रीडासमासक्तगोपीवस्त्रापहारकाय नमः
ॐ पुण्यश्लोकाय नमः
ॐ पुण्यश्लोकाय नमः
ॐ तीर्थपादाय नमः
ॐ तीर्थपादाय नमः
ॐ वेदवेद्याय नमः
ॐ वेदवेद्याय नमः
ॐ दयानिधये नमः
ॐ दयानिधये नमः
ॐ सर्वभूतात्मकाय नमः
भूतात्मकाय नमः
ॐ सर्वग्रहरूपिणे नमः
ॐ सर्वग्रहरूपिणे नमः
ॐ परात्पराय नमः
ॐ परात्पराय नमः ॐ परात्पराय नमः ॐ परात्पराय ॐ परात्पराय नमः
ॐ परात्पराय नमः
ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः
ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः
अथ धूपः ॐ वनस्पतिरसोद्भूतो गन्धाढ्यो गन्ध उत्तमः आघ्रेयः सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यताम् ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः धूपमाघ्रापयामि अथ दीपः ॐ ॐ दीपं गृहाण देवेश वर्तित्रयसमन्वितम् अन्धकारे नमस्तुभ्यम् अज्ञानं विनिवर्तय ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः दीपं सन्दर्शयामि धूपदीपानन्तरं शुद्धाचमनीयं समर्पयामि पुष्पैः पूजयामि अथ नैवेद्यम्।
दे दो, आगे दे दो।
ओम वम एतस्मै सोपकर्ण नैवेद्याय नमः। निर्विषी भव। ओम सत्यं द्रुतेन प्रशिञ्चामि। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुवः। अमृतोपस्तरणम्। ओम नैवेद्यं गृह्यतां देव भक्तिं मे हेचलां कुरु। ईप्सितं मे वरं देहि नित्यतृप्तनमोऽस्तुते। ओम श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ओम प्राणाय स्वाहा। ओम अपानाय स्वाहा। ओम व्यानाय स्वाहा। ओम उदानाय स्वाहा। ओम समानाय स्वाहा। ओम ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। 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 मध्ये मध्ये स्वादोदकं समर्पयामि। पुनराचमनीयं समर्पयामि। अमृतापिधानमसि। हस्तमुखप्रक्षालनं समर्पयामि।
मतलब
ॐ हिरण्यगर्भगर्भस्थं हेमबीजं विभावसोः अनन्तपुण्यफलदं शश्वच्छान्तिं प्रयच्छ मे। ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। सुवर्णपुष्पदक्षिणां समर्पयामि। अथ राजोपचारः।
आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे। हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे, हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे। आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे। हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे, हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे। आनंद भयो रे, हे माती यशोदा वारी वारी जाए, पलना में ललना को झुलना झुलाए। ला 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 ला। माती यशोदा वारी वारी जाए, पलना में ललना को झुलना झुलाए। के राज महाराज नंद मगन भयो रे, के राज महाराज नंद मगन भयो रे। आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे। हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे, हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे। आनंद भयो रे, हे ढोल बाजे ढम ढम, मंजीरा बाजे टननना टननना टननना। ढोल बाजे ढम ढम, मंजीरा बाजे टननना टननना टननना। मृदंग बाजे दिग दिग, पायल बाजे छननना छननना छननना। मृदंग बाजे दिग दिग, पायल बाजे छननना छननना छननना। हे गोकुल का हर वासी मगन भयो रे, हे गोकुल का हर वासी मगन भयो रे। आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे, आनंद भयो रे। हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे, हे गोकुल में कान्हा ने जन्म लियो रे। आनंद भयो रे, हे बोलिए कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की
जय।
मेरे बांके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार। नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। मेरे बांके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार। नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। तेरी सूरतिया पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा पीला पटका। तेरी सूरतियाँ पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा पीला पटका। तेरी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चाल हो, तेरी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा नीला पटका। तेरी मुरलिया पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा नीला पटका। तेरे घूंगर वाले बाल हो, तेरे घूंगर वाले बाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा काला पटका। तेरी कमरिया पे मन मोरा अटका, प्यारा लागे तेरा काला पटका। तेरे गल में वैजंती ही माल हो, तेरे गल में वैजंती ही माल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। मेरे बांके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तो है लग जाएगी। बोलिए श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की
जय।
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय।
ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। गीतं समर्पयामि। Shri Krishna Janmashtami is birthday of Shri Krishna. We are here to celebrate his birthday. But the question, a very, very basic question is, who is this Krishna whose birthday we have all gathered to celebrate? So, we all are familiar with Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and the commentary of Sri Adi Shankaracharya begins with this very topic, who is Sri Krishna? Because Bhagavad Gita was given to Arjuna by Sri Krishna. But who is this Krishna? So very beautifully, Bhagavan Sri Shankaracharya ji introduces Sri Krishna, which we shall try and understand a little bit today. He says, Sa Bhagavan Srishtva idam jagat tasya cha sthitim chikirshuhu. That Lord of the whole universe, that universal infinite consciousness, which is pervading everything, that Lord of the whole universe, he created this whole universe, and tasya cha sthitim chikirshuhu, and he wanted that his creation is sustained well. Whatever we create, it's natural that we want it to remain, and its purpose is served. So that it is sustained, what did he do? He says he created some people who would take up the responsibility of being active in the world outside, which is called in Sanskrit as pravritti, working for the betterment of the world outside. This is called pravritti dharma. So some of the, like Saptarishis, etc., Prajapatis, etc., all these were also created by that Lord of the universe and ensured that the world outside is well sustained, maintained. And also, Bhagavan was saying that, okay, external world has to be sustained, but without internal world being right, the external world will not be able to maintain itself much. So there were some mind-born sons of Brahmaji, or the Lord, the Creator, who were given this job of taking care of the world inside. And they were Sanandan, Sanat, Sanatan, all these Sanat Kumaras, and various other rishis who were walking the path of inward journey, which is called as the Nivritti Lakshanam Dharma. So Pravritti Dharma, Nivritti Dharma, both is important. For us also, that is how the whole world is sustained. Some work we have to do externally, but also we have to do something internally. That is also important. Sometime we have to act and sometime we have to rest. So we cannot do one alone. So both these, there is day and there is night. So all this, there are some working days and some holidays. So this whole entire creation is made up of this Pravritti Lakshana Dharma and Nivritti Lakshana Dharma. And dharma, when we say, whether it is translated as a duty or translated as a system, translated as the very essence, any such system can be maintained or protected not by just writing books, making documents, or knowing about them, but by practicing them. To do it is the only way to sustain any dharma. So here, he wanted everyone to perform the dharma, perform their duties, fulfill their duties. So Bhagavan created this and gave these duties, and everyone was practicing. But we all know, when we keep practicing over a period of time, when we all came in and sat on our seats, we must have sat like this. But after some time, what happens? There is a decline. So initially, I am performing all my duties, following dharma very well. Over a period of time, natural. Slowly, things became slack. Then what to do? So he says, this Praninam sakshat abhyudaya nishreyase hetuhu yaha saha dharmaha. This dharma, this system, this whatever Bhagavan created as a system of the universe was that which would give the maximum joy in the world outside and the journey within for every living being. And he says that everyone has to be performing it, anushthiyamanaha. But dirghena kalena anushtatrunam kama udbhavat. What happened? Over a period of time, whoever have been performing duties diligently, some desires, some distraction, some disturbance came about, and the purity, the diligence in that performance of action slowly declined. Kama udbhavat hiyamana viveka vijnana hetukena adharmena abhibhuyamane. When this adharma took over dharma, means there are systems, there are rules, but over a period of time, this rule is not applicable to me. It is for others, not for me. Or, I am in a hurry, I want to do this. You all follow the rules, I will not be able to follow. So such kind of selfishness, egocentric desires that came, and because of that what happened? All this, the dharma that was being followed, it became overpowered by adharma. Means a system was set, but nobody was following the system. We can relate to this very well. We go take the car and drive out. There are rules, there are traffic lights, everything is there, but we are color blind. We have to go. So you see, why 3 places, 3 lights, all green color, why have they put? I don't know. Sometimes the top green comes, nahi to between green comes, or the lower green comes. Only green is there. I see only green. So go. Others, whoever, whatever they do. So this is, the system is there in place, but nobody is following it. There is chaos. This is called adharma. Pravardhamane cha adharme. Then what happens? Jagattah sthitim paripipalayishuhu saha adikarta. Now who is in charge? We say nobody is following, nobody is following. So therefore if somebody asks, okay, why don't you follow? Nobody is following, so how can I follow? So therefore I am also not following. But someone will have to take the responsibility. Who will take the responsibility? So he says, Saha Adikarta. That creator, he took the responsibility that this will not do. No system, there will be accidents, there will be destruction, there will be so much of sorrow. Not good. So Adikarta Narayanakhyah Vishnuhu. That all pervading Lord Narayana himself, Bhaumasya Brahmanaha Brahmanatvasya Rakshanartham. He says, what he did, he decided that I have to protect the dharma of everyone, and specifically here Shankaracharya says of Brahmanas. Oh, this is so bad. Only Brahmanas. What about others? And then see, we are all, getting into castes and this, that division of the society. This Brahmana is not a particular, accident of birth. Brahmana is a person who is knowledgeable, who is a visionary, who is a thinker, who can guide, who has the clarity of the time now and a vision for the time in future, not just for oneself, but for the entire nation or for the entire world. Such a visionary leader is called a Brahmana. So if such a visionary person is able to stick to what he or she has to do, then the others will fall in line automatically. So the thinkers have to think right, then the others will fall in line. People who plan have to plan correctly. The policy makers have to make the policies rightly. Execution will happen accordingly. So therefore, he felt that let me first, in modern context, if we have to say, what he wanted to do was, he wanted to influence the influencers. And by that, he wanted to make sure that the whole world is following its dharma. So Paripipalayishuhu means the one desirous of setting the system right to make this world a happy place for each one. What did he do? Very beautiful. Who is Krishna? Adi Shankaracharya ji says, no, you are saying who is Krishna? You are talking about creator and creation and everything. That's what. He is saying, Brahmanaha Brahmanatvasya Rakshanartham Devakyam Vasudevat Amshena Krishna Kila Sambabhuva. That same supreme reality, that pure consciousness, all-pervading consciousness, with his infinite power and potential, created this whole universe, and with the desire to set the systems right so that it gives happiness to every living creature, he himself came down. This is called avatara. Ava means down. So he came down from his infinite stature, took up a particular form. Where? Devakyam Vasudevat Amshena. He took form in the womb of Mother Devaki as the son of Vasudeva. And what was he called? Krishna Kila Sambhabhuva. Don't we know him? Who was? What was his name? We are not even saying his name. What was his name? थोड़ा ऐसे पुकारना चाहिए तो वो आएंगे सुनेंगे. So that Krishna came as a son of Vasudeva and took form in Devaki's womb. Krishna Kila Sambhabhuva. Bhagavan said, Bhagavad Gita only further, he says, Sambhavami yuge yuge. Bhavami means born. Sambhavami means manifesting, assuming a form by choice. We are all born. He is not born. He appears. He comes down in a form that we can recognize, we can relate to. So looking at his mischief, we should not forget, we should not misunderstand that, this is some little boy of Vrindavan. No. It is that Supreme Consciousness manifested as this Krishna. Such a Bhagavan, now he says, okay, he came as Krishna. What is the meaning of Krishna? Krishna, one meaning is the one who attracts. The most attractive. Whatever he did, his looks, his words, the way he walked, everything, adharam madhuram, vadanam madhuram, madhuradipate, akhilam madhuram, most attractive, manohar, manmohak roop. That is Bhagavan Shri Krishna. That Krishna, that most attractive one, who also is a one, Krishna also means the one who destroys. Destroys what? Destroys all our sorrows. Destroys our bondages, destroys our limitations, our wrong notions. Such a Bhagavan, that Bhagavan, Jnana Ishwarya Shakti Bala Virya Tejo Bihi Sada Sampannaha. The one who is always endowed with infinite knowledge, infinite power, infinite prowess, infinite balavirya, valor, everything. Trigunatmikam swam mayam moola prakritim vashikritya, having his power under his control. People may have powers, but if they are not under control, then there is no use of the powers. It may destroy. So here, having that power under control, ajaha avyayaha bhutanam ishwaraha. Who is he? The unborn. These are all names from the Gita only, from the Vishnu Sahasranam only. His names. The one who is never born, ajaha. Avyayaha, the one who is never getting destroyed. Bhutanam Ishwaraha, he is the Lord of all beings. Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavaha Apisan. Although being of the nature of ever enlightened, ever pure, ever liberated, such a Lord also, Swamayaya, with his power, with his Maya, what happened? Most important. He is saying, Saha Dehavan Iva Jataha Iva Cha Loka anugraham kurvan lakshate. Beautiful. He says, such Bhagwan, who is free from everything, who is extremely pure, such Bhagwan, Dehavan Iva, as though has taken up a body. Jatah Ivacha, as though he is born. We say today, Krishna Jayanti, birthday of Krishna. Shankaracharya ji is saying, as though he is born. His birth also is his Maya. Jatah iva, dehavan iva. Loka anugraham kurvan lakshate. What does he do? Why does he assume and does this Leela of Janma and his entire life? He says, for blessing the universe. Loka anugrah. Loka is a very beautiful word. Loka means the world also, and Loka means a person also. So Loka anugraham means we need not think that only for the entire world. He is a common property, Bhagavan. He is everybody. Of course he is everybody's, but Loka anugraham means he has come specially for me. When that happens inside, that's when we feel that Bhagavan and I are related. That he has come for me. Loka anugraham kurvan. So he has not come in general, okay, everyone said, okay, chalo, over, now I am going back. No. For me, each one, if we see Sri Krishna Katha or any other avatar also, every devotee felt that Bhagavan has come for me only. Even the Narasimha avatar, why did Bhagavan take Narasimha avatar? We said to kill Hiranyakashipu. Bhagavan said, I didn't come to kill Hiranyakashipu. Because main switch is with me. Why should I come? I could have turned it off. Over. Hiranyakashipu gone. Why should I come all the way? But when he came, it is said he apologized to Prahlada. And he said, I came for you, but I got a bit late. Therefore, you had to go through so much of pain. So, Bhagavan comes for each one of us. So that Bhagavan, who need not be born, who can never be bound, who is ever pure, he as though becomes an embodied one, as though born in this world, only to shower grace and blessings upon each one of us. So today's day is not just an occasion of another birthday. Today is an occasion of, that the manifestation of supreme compassion. That one who does not need to also decides to come for our well-being. That is the greatness. That's the day today which we are celebrating. And that Bhagavan only did whatever he did, whether it was killing off these Rakshasas or controlling the flow of Yamuna ji, blessing so many devotees, doing various sweet leelas like going to people's homes and stealing butter or eating mud. All these things Bhagavan kept doing. Who is that Bhagavan? Who need not be born. But he did all this for what? To bless us. No, he did it those days 5,000 years ago. Today, but 5,000 years ago he did. But today, just by remembering or listening or reading about that itself, our heart gets filled with devotion. So that time he must have done 5,000 years ago, but he has done it for me only. If we feel like that, we are able to experience that, then we come closer to Krishna. Then Krishna Janmashtami doesn't happen outside. Krishna Janmashtami happens within us, where we feel Bhagavan is being born here, because that jail, that dark night, what is that dark jail? This jail of bondage, this jail of ignorance, Bhagavan comes there, and when he comes, there is all light. When he comes, there is all clarity. And all the gates open by themselves. Just by his advent, so much is achieved. All our old habits, old weaknesses, things that we have been struggling with, things that we want to get rid of, things that we are not able to handle, all these things, all this, he just comes and effortlessly releases us from all this. But like Vasudevji, we need to hold him on our head. And when we hold him on our head, we are protected. There may be storms, there may be rains, there may be floods, but he is there with me. He may be a tiny baby, he may be in the form of a tiny baby, but he is the Lord of the universe. And we can easily cross the river, effortlessly reach where we want to, come back as though nothing happened. Anything is achieved. And one last point before we conclude. He loved butter. Why loved? He loves butter. What is this butter? When we, people who are rearing cows, the cowherds, he was in a cowherd village. Everyone's action was looking after the cattle, and they would get some milk, and with the milk they'll make it into curds and then churn and get butter. It is the karma phala, the fruit of our result of our actions. We perform our actions and we only want to have the fruits also. And when we have the fruits, what will happen? We will be bound. Then more actions, more fruits. More actions, more fruits. And we know butter, too much of consumption, we will be difficult to kidnap. Because slowly we will grow. Not vertically, but horizontally. So, we only want, Bhagavan says, what is this? You are doing everything, you are saying that, okay, this is everything for Krishna, everything for Krishna, and then you want to take the fruit of the action. I have come to liberate you. So how can I let you be bound by the fruit of your action? I will take it away. And actually gopis knew he will come to take it away, and they wanted him to come. They used to sometimes send their sons also that today suggest to Krishna that my mother has made fresh makhan, come. Tempt him to come to our house. So people wanted him to come and steal. So we also need to understand, were the gopis so very foolish that they did not have a lock? They could have locked their homes. Why did they leave them open? They wanted Krishna to come and take away all that. Second is, the butter stands for our mind. Bhagavan is the one who does not want anything from us. Because what thing he will take? Everything is his only. We are the ones who have taken things from him. So he doesn't want things. But if my mind is pure, like the white butter, soft, not with cruelty and it's not hard, it is soft. Nowadays we put in the fridge and it becomes hard. Then we have to wait. Let it thaw. But that fresh butter, soft, pure. If my heart is soft, pure, with all those beautiful virtues, then Bhagavan will not waste time. He will steal it quickly. And once our heart is stolen by him, then nobody can save. Then we will be his only. We will think about him. We will talk about him. And every action of ours, we will only do for him and him alone. That is the supreme devotion. That is the supreme love for the Lord. So, if my mind becomes that pure and soft like the butter, I will also get him to be born in my heart and steal my heart also. But will he come? Will he surely come and be born? What do we think? Will he come? Huh? श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर
को तो आना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
ग्राम में हो या नगर में कोई,
ग्राम में हो या नगर में कोई,
वन उपवन नदी तट पर जोगी,
वन उपवन नदी तट पर जोगी,
गिरि कंदरा में बैठा जोगी, गिरि कंदरा में बैठा जोगी, सबसे ही मिलने तो आना ही होगा, सबसे ही मिलने तो आना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
कर्म में है अधिकार तुम्हारा,
कर्म में है अधिकार तुम्हारा,
कह कर दिया हमें संसारा,
कह कर दिया हमें संसारा,
सारी साधना हम ही करें तो, सारी साधना हम ही करें तो, आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा, आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर को तो आना
ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
सबसे ही मिलने तो आना ही होगा,
सबसे ही मिलने तो आना ही होगा,
आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा, आपको भी तो
कुछ करना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही
होगा।
बोलिए वृंदावन विहारी लाल की
जय,
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय।
We'll perform the Mangala Arati.
क्या हो?
ये लो। मंगल आरती प्रिया प्रीतम की, मंगल प्रीति रीति दोन की, मंगल कांति हसनी दसनन की, मंगल मुरली बीना धुन की, मंगल आरती।
मंगल बनिक
त्रिभंगी हरि की, मंगल सेवा सब सहचर की,
मंगल सिर चंद्रिका
मुकुट की, मंगल छवि नयनन में अटकी, मंगल आरती।
मंगल छटा
अभी अंग अंग की, मंगल गौर श्याम रस रंग की, मंगल अति कटि पियरे पट की, मंगल कृतवनि नागर नट की, मंगल आरती।
मंगल शोभा कमल
नयन की, मंगल माधुरी मृदुल बैन की, मंगल वृंदावन मग अटकी, मंगल क्रीडन जमुना तट की, मंगल आरती।
मंगल चरण
अरुण तरुवन की, मंगल करनी भगति हरिजन की, मंगल जुगल प्रिया भावन की, मंगल श्री राधा जीवन की, मंगल आरती प्रिया प्रीतम की, मंगल प्रीति रीति दोन की, मंगल आरती। मंगल आरती। ओम न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकं, नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतो यमग्निः, तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं, तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। मंगल नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। नीराजनानन्तरं शुद्धाचमनीयं समर्पयामि। पुष्पैः पूजयामि। अथ पुष्पांजलि। थोड़ा फूल ले लीजिए। ओम इदं सचंदन बिल्वपत्र तुलसी पत्र पुष्पांजलि सांगाय सावरणाय सद्भक्तिकाय सशक्तिकाय सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे वौषट। ओम योपां पुष्पं वेद
पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति।
चंद्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं
पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति।
य एवं वेद
योपामायतनं वेद
आयतनवान् भवति। हरिः ओम। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। वेदोक्त मंत्र पुष्पांजलिं समर्पयामि। अथ प्रदक्षिणनमस्काराः। ॐ यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे। अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष महेश्वर। ओम आवाहनं न जानामि विसर्जनं पूजां चैव न जानामि क्षमस्व परमेश्वर। मंत्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं सुरेश्वर। यत्पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे। अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व परमेश्वर। ओम कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। अनया पूजया सर्वात्मकः श्रीकृष्ण परब्रह्म प्रीयताम्। ओम तत्सद्ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। यथास्थानं प्रतिष्ठापयामि शोभनार्थे क्षेमाय पुनरागमनाय च। अथ दिग्विमोकः। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। बोलिए राधावर श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की
जय।
सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम। गोविंद
गोविंद।
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय।